Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll see how we can deploy a website built using Next.js on Vercel. So this is my website as you can see, and you have to just go to GitHub, create new repository and name the repository like this, and just create the repository. All you have to do is just after that, just copy the last 4 lines and go to the VS Code and just type git init in that same Next.js folder of that website and just git add dot, and then after that paste all of the 4 copied commands and just press enter, and after that you'll be able to see that all the files will be in your GitHub repository now, and it's all documented well. And just click add new and the project in the Vercel, the vercel.com, and just connect your GitHub, and after that you can select your repository. I'm just using this one, the one I created, and then after you have to just configure your project, the project name and all that, and like the build output settings, you don't have to do that. If you want to override you can do that, but I'm not doing anything. And here are your environment variables, you can put that also here, and let's quickly deploy it. So it's gonna just get queued, and voila, our website is just live. And you can go to the dashboard and see your URL. You can click any of these. I'm clicking this, and here you can see that the URL is that, and my website is live, and I can actually navigate through my website using the buttons and all that. And this is what the dashboard has, like the build logs, anything that you want to check, like whatever it is you want to put your own domain or anything you can put at, and you can actually configure it later on, like in settings you can go and change your project name if you want to. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.